I love these stories. Group of contractors teaming up to make the home of a Valley vet a lot better.
There was a flood at the home, and the vet has been out of his house for a while. Marcy is live with more and what everyone is doing today to help him out.
People giving back, Marcy.
Smile, smile.
Yes, we love doing stories like this. We love covering good, positive stories. People doing stuff out of the goodness of their hearts. We've got a crowd here. I'm joined with Rosie and her family and all of the contractors doing this. Rosie, tell us how this all happened. You came home with your husband, Frank, and then what happened?
Well, I was doing laundry, and I saw the water coming out of the bathroom, and I was wondering where it was coming from. I thought it was from the back of the shower, the shower, but it was from the bottom. It was coming out from the bottom. So I called my insurance to see. I didn't know what to do. I called my insurance, and they sent me all these lovely people, the ACRs, and I am so proud of them. I'm very proud of them.
Oh, how does it feel to have these people restoring your home?
Oh, feels real good.
Yeah.
A lot of things that I dreamed about, but I couldn't, we couldn't do it. Like I tell my daughter, by the time you buy something new, by the time you get to the other thing, that first one is old.
A little bit earlier, you were referring to them as your angels.
Oh, they are my angels,
And
yes.
I feel like that just kind of explains it all. You're just so grateful, and I know that they're so happy to do it.
I'm very grateful to them.
Oh, okay. Well, we're going to go over here to Cindy. Cindy, tell us your role in this, because you've got a big part in this.
Well, I am a project manager estimator for Arizona Construction and Restoration, and this is our owner, Russ Van Allsburg. And we, as a company, feel very blessed in 2017, and Russ said that we should find a family and do something a little extra special, and that's what we're trying to do now.
Fantastic. Now, how much manpower are we talking here, and how long do we think that this project is going to last?
Well, we're hoping to have it all done within 4 weeks. Will we? I don't know, but we got a lot of work to do in here, and we're just doing the best we can. And we don't have a lot of funds, and we welcome people to volunteer time and materials if they feel so compelled.
Yeah, we know that sometimes insurance doesn't cover everything, or it just restores it to what it used to be. And Rosie's husband, Frank, a Korean War veteran, he needs, some certain adjustments to the home.
Yes,
so that's what you guys are doing here today, right?
Yes, we are. We're going to get a nice walk-in shower for them, and handicap bars, new tubs, or new vanity, new toilet. We're going to be drywalling, fixing the ceiling, making a nicer pantry for them, a stackable washer and dryer, and we've got
Whole facelift. Now, really fast. Thank you, Cindy. Really fast, Rosie. I have to ask. We're missing Frank here today. He's in the hospital, unfortunately, right now, recovering. But he keeps asking you about the updates about the house. So what do you tell him?
Yesterday we came, my daughter and I, my daughter Vivian, we came and we looked all over the place. And when I went back, I told him, the house is bare. There's nothing there. No floor, no carpet, nothing. And he says, well, what else? When are they going to finish? And I said, I don't know, honey. I have no idea.
You focus on getting better. We'll take care of the house, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Rosie. Guys, we're going to have to... Oh, we love Frank.
I love you, honey.
We hope he's watching. Guys, we're going to check back in with them in about 4 weeks to see the progress. We're very excited.
Oh, love it, Marcy. That's
Thank
awesome.
you, guys.
Thank you.